G'day everybody, and welcome to another episode here of Tribal Trades, the daily show coming at you from the great state of Florida. One hell of a drug. And I do want to welcome you to the channel wherever you are tuning in from around the world. Thanks for watching. So today I've got some plays for you. And of course, yesterday's play worked out really great. I gave you the Tau trade at $3.99, and that shot up to almost $440 yesterday. Now, before we do that, of course, smash the like button. This does help get this channel out to more people and does, of course, help support the channel, as does your wonderful comments that you take the time to write. I take the time to read them and to respond to those. And if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Great to have you on board, and you'll get these updates there on YouTube. Okay, so let's take a quick look at one of the plays that I gave in the Discord yesterday, and where there's possible some re-entries here as well. So first of all, there was Robinhood, and actually a couple of days ago we had played it from 34 to 37, and then back to 34, and then back to 37 again. As you can see here, the tribal trades indicator, one indicator to rule them all in, out, and that worked out to be a fantastic trade. But it didn't stop there, because we got a fresh entry here at $30 yesterday. That worked out quite well, that trade, and we also got an entry at 28 there for Robinhood as well. Now, of course, Robin is the ETF of Hood, which is Robinhood, the trading exchange, and Robin is the ETF, so get a little bit more bang for your buck trading the 2x ETF leverage. Okay, and you can see here, if we switch to the hourly time frame here, when we had the market opened in the morning, there we were able to get in this trade, and this is where I gave this $30 trade. Tribal Trades signal gave us a nice exit there, and we're able to get back in at 28. I managed to snag that just as it into the 28, and then obviously this has gone up and now is at 33. Okay, now there is a little bit of a sell signal, soft sell signal. I really like looking for the red dot, and so we haven't seen a red dot there as for the trade. And in the pre-market trading, at the moment, this is pre-market trading there. Yeah, so that one at the moment, we're just looking to see how this plays out. At the moment, it's staying pretty static there. But on the 15-minute time frame, we did get the green dot around 33, so there could be another entry here, or if you're already in the trade, to add to the trade there, although we are going a little bit sideways at the moment. We do have the green dot there on the 15-minute time frame. However, it hasn't really shot up a whole lot there, so I just want to be cautious and careful there. For those of you either gotten at 28 or 30, there's been some good gains on that trade. Now, one of the other trades that we took in the Discord was we got a new spot the dot, and the spot the dot is working out pretty well. And so in the spot the dot, the Tesla, it fired off on the hourly when it was at $10. Now, of course, didn't know that the president and Elon were going to kiss and make up, it seems. And so that worked out to be an absolutely fantastic trade there. As you can see, got the spot the dot. Where's the hourly time frame there? And of course, that worked out absolutely beautifully there. The green dot giving us the entry. And you can see here, we've got a soft yellow signal there. We don't have the red dot there, and we are still seeing some appreciation there. So there may be some legs left on this one. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, we also have a little bit of a soft sell signal there as well. And so let's wait and see how this turns out for the little green buy signal. But again, we're seeing the pre-market a little flat, so it'll be very interesting to see how this opens. The market opens in a couple of hours here on that Tesla trade there. So as you can see, those are two trades that went off really well. And look, it took some time. This one here was if we go back to the hourly time frame, I mean, that fired off at 6 a.m. in the morning, and really the profits were that was a 12-hour trade. Had to be very, very patient for that trade to play out there for Tesla. And so we'll see if we get some further price appreciation. As we see now, actually, we have a soft sell, but we have a soft buy there as well. So this will be interesting to see how this plays out. Like I said, again, I really look for these on these shorter time frames. I really like these green dots and the red dot. And if we don't have a red dot, I really don't like getting out of the play too soon, because we can just see reversals happen there from a soft sell to a soft buy right as we're talking. So $12 could be a little bit of an entry there, but I'm going to wait and see how that goes. At the moment, there's no reason to get out of the trade. We're above the 50-day moving average. We're above the 50 EMA on the hour and the 20 EMA on the hour. And if this pink line crosses the purple line, that is going to be extremely bullish as well. So even if though we go on the trade at 10 o'clock, I should say at $10, we really want to wait to see how that plays out to the upside. Now, if you do want to utilize the Tribal Trades signals indicator, it is a Tribal Trades Discord only. It's only for those in the Discord. And if you do want to join the Tribal Trades Discord, there is a link in the description of this video. You might need to click the more button. That will pop out. There'll be a link there where you can sign up and pay for membership to the Tribal Trades Discord there. It's a monthly membership. There's no lock-in, no pressure. You can cancel at any time there. Of course, all the details there are below in the description for that. And that gives you access to the Tribal Trades Discord and the Life-Changing Games trading course. A new lesson is released every week. So if you want to learn the A to Z of trading, there it is there. We also have live sessions as well. There's the Tribal Trades indicator where you would get access there, of course. And then we have a bunch of other channels there. Leverage Lounge, aka the Party Zone. We have a new options trading lounge as well. The Options Lounge, I should really call it, there as well. So I may change the name on that one, of course. And, you know, the stock plays and the crypto plays. And there I share my trades and trading signals. So much educational content, you know, trade setups, resources, and of course entertainment, because I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Are you not entertained? Okay. And one of my favorite channels, of course, in the Discord is the Wins channel. And this is, I love reading stories like this here. We're at the amusement park and they just jumped into trading for just 15 minutes, maybe waiting in line, I'm not sure. And then they were able to take profit on the Tesla trade there. That looks like the Tesla trade. Yes, Tesla trade, $600 profit there at the amusement park. A cool $600 in the pocket when they saw a sell signal on the 10-minute time frame. Of course, absolutely fantastic. And there's some further profits there going in, which is great there. And I love this story as well. Luke here, first day he signs up in the Discord and he makes $100 on the Robin Hood call play, and then $60 on the SPY call as well. And absolutely fantastic. And I love this. One of many, bro. You just paid for 4 months of the Tribal Trades Discord. Absolutely fantastic. The Discord, you know, I feel it does pay for itself, unless for less than a cup of coffee per day, you can get access to this incredible amount of resources and channels, and of course the Tribal Trades indicator there as well. Some great stocks plays, so you can use the signals indicator on and crypto, and I give stocks and crypto plays every day. And of course the signals channel fires off for both crypto and stocks there as well. Absolutely fantastic. So you can see Nino with some great stocks plays in there. Julie with an E getting some great gains there. Right on time, Rod, even though he says it's too early, he feels he's always too early taking profits, but nobody ever lost money taking profits. Julie with an I getting some great gains there, 27%, 64%, 76%. I love this. Nice. She just made, looks like she made a few $1,000s there on the Tesla play. Absolutely fantastic. And Tonj there, Nikola Tesla, as always, crushing it with the wins. Julie with an I, still crushing and rolling in those gains from the Tau trade that was given yesterday. Tau, Sui, and Ondo trades were all given in the Discord, and then Morpheus there. And you just see the gains just keep stacking up. Donut, as always, the Thunder from down under with a $475 win. Almost one trade almost pays for the entire Discord for the whole year. Absolutely fantastic. You just see the trades just stacking up their Gaddis there. Doing wonderful. Crusher crushing it with 179% gainer there on the Tau trade. Absolutely fantastic. Well done to all of those taking the trades. That's one of our mottos. You got to risk it for the biscuit, and never know unless you have a go and to take the trades. Those who are taking the trades are making the gains there. So those were a couple of the plays, and we'll keep an eye on the Tesla trade, and we'll see how that play ends up. Remember, we started at $10. There is a possible entry here at $12, of course, although we are a little bit in the overbought territory there on the hourly, and on the 15 minutes we've started to curl down. So keeping an eye on there, that could be a potential entry for that trade. One more trade today here I'm going to give you, which is CEP, or at least one more trade. Let's see how we go with time. CEP, this is looking good for a possible entry here for CEP. If we look there, maybe a possible to get back up to at least 39 here, but we are starting to get a little bit oversold on the 15-minute time frame. Now, we don't have a green dot there just yet. You can see how beautifully we got the green dot there, and that pushed all the way up there from 37 up to 39 there. So I'm keeping an eye on CEP. Of course, there would be a little bit of resistance here at 38, but looking to see if we get an entry for a green dot there. Now, this is the new MicroStrategy. This is the company that actually is happy to show the proof of reserves, that they actually own the Bitcoin that they say that they own, where MicroStrategy hasn't been forthcoming with that there. And so this could possibly be, just as I was talking there, we get a nice little spike to the upside there, and we're I would say here we're seeing a curl. This could be a possible entry here around 38, and then maybe we can get a nice move back to 39, or even back to my ultimate target here would be up to 41. So I'd be looking there at around 41 to see if we can get some further upside, and then of course to 43. So those would be my targets, 41 and 43 there. And of course, waiting for the entry there, being patient, but that is curling to the upside there. So I expect us to get some kind of a green dot there. As you can see, sometimes these green dot, the gains are quite small, and sometimes they play out a little bit more to the upside there. And of course, this would have given us a nice little exit to the downside to get out of that play. And so we'll be waiting on that play. We'll see how that shakes out, and we'll update there in the Discord throughout the day with these trades. And so we're going to keep an eye on CEP, but particularly because Bitcoin has had a large move to the upside yesterday. All right, well, that's all we have time for today. Again, appreciate you all tuning in as always. And of course, until the next episode, or until I see you in the Discord, happy trading.